distributed maritime operations where loitering performance directly affects mission success. As the demonstration concludes, I will return to the slip while maintaining full sensor operations and continuous platform health according to the PIU. The autonomy stack remains active and the vessel transitions smoothly back. Hydra integrates advanced AI-enabled sensing and automated target recognition from ACR to deliver persistent, multimodal awareness across maritime environments. Modular autonomy stacks supports rapid deployment of AI models at the edge, enabling the system to detect, classify, or apply to track surface and airborne targets using EOI, radar, and other key sensors. Recent integrations such as waterline ATR demonstrated maritime conditions that emerging ATR